Luka Curva. No good on the 3. Rebound nakuha ni Doligon. Here comes Doligon.
Palpal! Pati rebounds, ha? To the point na he would have a ton of rebounds and 0 field goals. Talagang
Nazaro. The 3 on the way. It's good. From Cebu.
palpal.
He gets the block on Eusebio. Cabanero is ahead. And Nick Cabanero, talk about Cabanero. Spin. Left-handed layup, no. Rebound. Warren Bonifacio with a tip-in. Doligon loses the handle. Luka Curva is ahead. And Luka Curva will finish his studies. He just finished, he just graduated.
You know, one of the best Instagram names, I would say. Names ba tawag na? Anyway, yung profile no, ni si Tito Bert. Tito Bert loves Ana. Maybe that's something pwede natin gayahin. Right? Can you imagine? Di ba? Tito Sidel loves Rachel. Di ba? Something like that. Playing with pride.
Playing with pride.
Tulad ng pagdating ng pagkain natin. Fried chicken.
Oh, Nick Cabanero with a hand in his face.
I think what's remarkable about Nick Cabanero's season, aside from the numbers he's putting up, again, averaging 17 points, 8 boards, and almost 3 assists. Only in 21 minutes of play. At once upon a time this season, this was about 18 minutes, no, with the same numbers.
Yeah, that's impressive. If you put it down to like, you know, these stats
30.
like nakakanta si Pambo Mundo. Nick the bump and the bucket. Sayang to si Nick Cabanero. Hindi ko naabutan to. Pwede sa Goodwill Games to ah.
Oo nga.
Pwede ko tong
Ibang player namin eh.
malalaki din ang katawan ha.
Oh.
Look at Ballesteros. Masok pa rin yung tira. Nonetheless, it's back to Binyan. Little in and out dribble and he is away. Nick Cabanero.
Wait a minute.
Ano?
Okay. Mr.
What?
Tumas.
What?
Okay.
Huwag ka na mabibigla.
Okay.
Kasi pinapractice ko yan. Di ba?
And just like how, since we're homeschooling, you know, my wife would say to Penny, your inaana, you know, very good.
Even with against a team that is yung standings not ideal at the moment.
Okay.
It's
Wow.
it's a team that is hindi nagbabago ang kanyang intensity, ang kanyang
Yes,
paglalaro.
I agree.
Kasi you know, it's really a testament on, you know, how much he respects the game.
Which we lost, by the way.
O, kita mo?
Yeah.
O, tapusin na natin yung usapan.
Tapusin natin yung usapan. Mike Mabulak, ito, tinapos niya yung opensang yon.
MoneyPay is the digital wallet built for the community. Okay.
I think it's right up there since galing kang Japan. I mean, it's right up
Okay,
there.
I just want to make a clarification. These trips, by the way,
Work.
these are work trips.
Yeah.
Hindi to ano ah. Hanggang airport lang ako dyan eh. Sa Incheon.
Stopovers.
Oo, stopovers. But
Beautiful country. Yeah.
at least hindi ano, I'm sure the weather is nice. Oh, that is
Baltasar yun.
John Baltasar.
Venice, wala siyang maiuwing bonus. Mukhang hindi panalo maging kalalabasan nito. Buti na lang employed siya.
Pido.
Good pass.
Barba. Ato, Barba nails the triple.
Importanteng laro yan. Para sa dalawang kupunan na yun.
Yes, absolutely. 95-57.
So neutral ground bukas ha. I think yung original schedule na lumabas sa San Juan dapat yan eh, no?
Joe Gomez Del Llano beats
There you go.
the buzzer.
Joe.